Welcome to our channel. I'm really glad you're here. I'm Mike with Zippy Snap, and I hope we can craft a kinder, more creative world together. Today we're going to make this beautiful joke door sign that says, "Please service the room with a bear." This is really a fun one because you can put it on your door and say, "I need room service." But on the difficulty meter, I would give this a 1 out of 5. This means that this is a super easy craft. You can download this craft template from zippysnap.com. The tools we're going to be using today are just scissors. So with these tools nearby, let's get to crafting. So here we have our template. It's just one page. You also have the optional completion badge right here you can cut out. And all we're going to do is cut along this dashed edge, and then we'll have our door hanging sign. This is a fun one because if your room's really messy, you can put it right up there and say, "You need room service." Now, it's really your responsibility to keep your room clean. So you should be the one doing your room service, but this is why it's a joke, is you're acting like you're in a hotel. In reality, you're just at your house. Very simple task. It's just cutting this out. And this is a beautiful bear right here. Just sitting there, watching the world go by. So we've cut it out here. And then we're going to want to cut out this circle part right here. There's a very thin dashed black line right here, if you can see it. We're going to cut right down there. So we'll just cut right through here, like that. And then once we get into this circle area, we're going to slowly work our way up. Circles are kind of difficult, so I like to, a lot of times, use the top part of my scissor and just go really slowly, just very small squeezes of your hand. And turn it with your other hand. So I'm turning it with my left hand, and it makes it look a lot more like a circle. And then we'll come over here. And if this doesn't, for some reason, fit your doorknob, you can always just make it a little bit bigger, this circle. You don't have to leave it this small, but this should fit most doorknobs. And there we go. That was super easy, wasn't it? So you now have the doorknob. So if your door's right here, you just put it right there, hang it on, and now you have a "Please service my room" sign. How funny. This is part of our joke series. Thank you so much for crafting with me today. I hope it brought you joy and helped your creativity grow. Always remember that you matter and you are valued. I look forward to creating our next craft together very soon. Goodbye.